Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Structural theories of the mind. So first is the ID. So this is nothing but the original state of the human mental apparatus. Original state of the human mental apparatus, and with which a newborn baby is born. With which the newborn baby is born, and it is controlled by the primary process of thinking operates. So it is controlled by the primary process. The primary process, and this is primary process thinking. It is controlled by the primary process thinking operates almost completely on an unconscious level. So unconscious level. Next is we move on to the ego. Ego is begins to develop immediately after birth. So immediately after the birth, and it is guided by the reality principle. So you have the reality principle. It lies on all unconscious, conscious, and also the preconscious parts of the mind. Now, what is superego? So superego means it develops by approximately 6 years of age. So this is a superego is what we are talking about. It develops approximately at 6 years of age, and the unconscious subdivisions of the mental apparatus. So you have unconscious subdivision of the mental apparatus. Unconscious subdivision of the mental apparatus that develops from the ego and associated with the conscience, and the morality. Then comes the fluid. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.